Watch this video and learn how to draw a pizza with a slice taken out. Oh, Artie, it smells so good.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artist.
That's right. Hello, little artists. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, I'm pleased you are, Artie.
Yeah,
What should we do?
Artie want to drawing.
Should we draw a pizza?
Yeah.
I know you love pizza.
Okay. Yeah.
Go and get some paper.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Welcome back. Back again.
Are you ready, Artie? You've got some paper. You've got your marker pens. Let's begin.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
I know. Let's go.
Let's start by drawing two large eyes in the middle of the paper. Start with the circle on the left. You don't have to draw the circle in one go. You can do it in sections. One more section left, Artie. Now you have a complete circle. Let's draw a little circle at the top towards the right and shade it in black. Let's draw another circle on the right side. Again, you don't need to draw it in one go. You can do it in sections. We do the top half first and then the bottom half. Don't forget the little circle inside and don't forget to shade it in black. Perfect. Two eyes.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No, it never is.
Oh, good. That's what I was going for.
Now starting at the top, just below the eyes, draw a long straight line coming down the centre of the page. Then draw another long line coming off at an angle. Now from the end of that angled line, we're going to draw a curve all the way around. Again, we can do it in sections to make it easier. Starting with the left section, then coming towards the top in the middle. Now we'll come all the way down the right side. And finally we can draw the bottom right section of the circle. And now we have a complete pizza. Well, not quite complete. There's a slice missing. We're going to draw that slice later.
Okay.
Now let's draw the pizza's crust. We're going to draw another circle inside of the first one. Again, we'll draw it in sections to make it easier. Just the last section to do, Artie. You got it.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw half a smile. The rest of the smile is missing on the missing slice of pizza. Let's draw a big tongue sticking out. Don't forget the line down the middle.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Let's draw some eyebrows. Two little triangles shaded in black should do the job. Now it's time to draw the missing slice. Draw a straight line at the exact same angle as the missing straight line in the pizza. Don't forget the curved edge. And don't forget the crust. let's draw the pizza's left hand. Start with the thumb. In fact, let's show the pizza giving the thumbs up. Add the fingers. And now add the arm coming down into the crust.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now it's time to draw the right hand. This hand can be in a sort of fist shape. Let's add the right arm. Looking good. Can you have a shape break? Okay, you can have a shape break. Go on.
Hello, little artist. Welcome to the shape break. My name's Louie, and I'm going to teach you about this shape here, the triangle. One of my favorite shapes. Now, triangles have 3 sides. Should we count them together? Yes, come on, come along. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and a little pointy top right at the top there. What did the circle say to the triangle? I see your point. See, because he saw his point. Okay. What about those triangles that you bang and they make a really lovely sound? There's in orchestras. Yes. Well, why did the triangle player quit the orchestra? Oh, I don't know. It was just one ting after another. Get ting, you know, ting, ting. Okay. Well, what are your favorite triangle shapes? I know what mine are. I love a pizza slice. Oh, a slice of pizza. That's a triangle. What about slice of cake? Also a triangle. Tortilla chips. They're triangular. Yes. Coat hangers. Not quite as yummy as the other things, but coat hangers are triangular. That's right. Oh, this is a good one. A triangle says to a circle, "You're pointless." Then the circle says back, "That's how I roll." Okay.
That was a great shape break. We learned all about triangles, and our pizza slice is a triangle. Let's finish the drawing. I think he needs some legs. Let's draw the right leg first, 2 little lines, and then a shoe. Yes, I know, Artie, it's a bit silly, a pizza wearing shoes. Well, the great thing about drawing cartoons is you can do anything. It doesn't matter how silly it might seem. The sillier, the better. That's it, left leg finished. Now, Artie, go and find one of those thinner marker pens, the ones with the thin end. Can you find one? Yes, that's it. Well done. Now we're going to draw slices of pepperoni on our pizza. We're just going to draw lots of circles randomly placed.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
I don't know about you, little artists, but this is making me hungry. I want some pizza. A few more pepperoni circles, Artie. Perhaps a couple at the top. It's looking finished. But something's missing, Artie. What could it be? Oh, he knows. Oh, yes, of course. There's no pepperoni on the slice. I wouldn't want to be the person who gets the slice of pizza with no pepperoni. But actually, I do remember Betty doesn't like pepperoni. She's a vegan. You're finished? Oh, you did a fantastic job, Artie. It looks good enough to eat. Well, it will after it's coloured in.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
You finished? Wow, you did such a good job, Artie. Once you coloured it in, it really looks yummy. I love the way you made the pepperoni red. I'm hungry.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. Me and Artie are going to get some pizza. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.